My background in the shop is I've been teaching agriculture. This is my 24th year, and I've always taught shop classes. The agriculture classes consist of welding and construction, woodwork, all types of shop-oriented tasks. Construction is, we're mainly working with the wood shop part of it. I'm excited about these kids learning the proper names for these tools and that they know what they should use and what they shouldn't use, using the right tool for the right job. And it's the excitement that they get when they have a finished product. That's what's exciting, is to watch the kids happy with their final product.
So far, my favorite tool has been the lathe, because we were able to make pens and pencils, and even now with that big lathe, we are able to make like bows and rolling pins and stuff like that.
The jigsaw helps you turn corners, but it's used for like bigger projects. The scroll saw I was using right now is used for smaller projects, but it lets you also turn corners. And the lathe, it turns wood, and it's easier for you to cut through it.
So the big thing that I hope that they gain is going to be confidence in using the different tools that we have available. The kids at the beginning start off a little scared and a little hesitant to use the different tools. But as the weeks go by, we see that there's improvement and they gain confidence. The other thing is their ability to identify the different tools and the proper use of those tools. And yes, they can take that back to the workplace or higher education and the different fields that they can go into.
He's a really good teacher. I like that he's patient with us, and he teaches us like slowly so we can all understand it. If we have questions, he answers them.
So if anyone's interested in joining the construction technology classes, they'll feel free to contact me, contact their counselor, or the CATE office for more information about the current technology construction.